everybody, this is Ishanvi
and this is Nivedita. So today we are here with a tutorial of
Tarasti hai Nigahein.
So let's get started. Tarasti hai Nigahein or Galatfehmi was one of the most requested tutorials by you all. So today we have decided to teach you step by step. Ishanvi also has forgotten some steps it seems. So I am going to teach Ishanvi and you guys. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. So this part of the song we have chosen is before the actual Tarasti hai Nigahein starts. There is a small part which goes ऐसा नहीं कहीं कोई. So first we will learn that part. Okay, the starting of the dance. Okay, so the first step, this is the first segment. I will teach you the first segment now. It starts like this, the leg movements. Right leg in front, left leg in front, stop. Okay, very simple. Okay, so the hand movements go like this. Right hand out, left hand out. Okay, so after this we put both hands in with your head down and put both hands up with your head up. Alright, and after this we take both our hands and do 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Okay, so how do you twist your hands? What we do is we take both our hands and we make it something like a flower. Can you show? 1 flower and 2 flowers and comes back. So at the end of that part we are in this position. So for the next step you put your right leg in front and your left leg out, and during this time you will be looking towards the left side, and once you finish this you will look to the right. Okay, so Ishanvi is showing it with the hand movements. So I will show you now how the hand movements go. It starts from here. Yes. So you go, put your right leg, cross your right leg, put your left leg out and then look to the right. Okay, this is the Galatfehmi step. Okay, and after this, once you are in this position, you hold this hand, make a fist out of it. Okay, and then your left leg is out, you bring your left leg in front and take a turn. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's do this part again. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, so at the end of that part, we are in a position like this with our palm, right palm made into a fist kept on our chest. Okay, so from here, we take 3 steps in front. Right leg in front, left leg in front and feet together. Okay, so your body movement when you do that goes like a wave. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's show them, Ishanvi. Okay, 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so after this we put our right leg out, in, out and in. And Ishanvi showed you the hand movements as well. So how it goes, your right hand from top, okay, we make it like a zigzag, out, in, out, in. Okay, so you make sure you look at your hands and turn your face side to side so that it looks more elegant. Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are at this part. For the next step, we will put our right leg out and tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And for the 3 taps, the hand movements are 1, 2, 3. Left shoulder, center, right shoulder. With your eye movements on your hands, left shoulder, center, right shoulder. Okay? Got that? Okay. So after this, we walk again in front 3 steps like we walked earlier with our right leg in front, left leg in front, both feet together, and the hand movements are like this. Come, let's show them. It's like you keep two fingers like this, okay, and you show a road. Rahe. It's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, show them again, hands and legs together. 1, 2, 3 step. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from here you take your hand, pick your hand up and take a turn and come back to 0. So let's do this first part again with counts. Okay, so I hope you all are doing with us. Oh, so let's start, shall we? Yes, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was segment number 1. So now we are at segment number 2. Okay, ready, Shanvi? Okay, so now we are in a position like this. From here, the next part, the music goes like this. Tarasti hai. So remember that your tarasti hai starts here, and then we start nigahe. So tarasti hai comes within this step. Okay, so how does the step go? We are in a position like this. The leg movements go like this. Okay, right, left, and then left, right, left. Okay, so your hand movements go from here. You put it down and then you bring it up again, and again your left hand, you put it down and you bring it up again. Okay, so you rotate your wrists, yes, and you bring it back. Rotate your wrist, put your hand down, bring it back. Okay, so with the leg movements, it's the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left goes a little fast. Okay, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, faster, Ishanvi. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Na 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 na. Tarasti hai. So tarasti hai comes here. So the next part, nigahe. You put your right leg in front and your left leg in front. Yes, and the hand movements go like that. You put your right palm in front of your eyes and you pull them to the right as you take a step forward, and then you put your left palm in front of your eyes and pull them to the left as you put your left leg forward. Okay, so that's how it goes. Let's show them again. 1, 2, 3, start. This nigahe part. Yeah, 1 and 2. So for the next step, you will put your right leg out. Yes, and that's how the step is. The hand movements, you will put one hand on your forehead and one hand out. Okay, like you are looking at somebody. Okay, like you are waiting for somebody. Okay, so from this, the next step, you will put your right leg out and then you will turn. And after that comes Sun Kabhi Aahe Meri. So how do we do that? You put your left hand behind your ear, your right hand in front and your right leg in front. Okay, and there are two ways you can do this. You can do right, left, right, left, right, left as you walk in front. Yeah, the same hand, first the left hand on your ear, second time the right hand on your ear, and the other hand comes in front. So you can either do just walking with right, left, or you can do right, left, right, right, left, right. So we are doing it like this: right, left, right, left. Okay. So once you do that, Sun Kabhi. Let's show Sun Kabhi again. Sun Kabhi Aahe. From here, you bring this left hand back with a turn. Okay, so let's show that again. 1, 2, 3, start. Sun kabhi aahe meri. So after that there is ye kaise main bataun. So how we do that? Okay, so show Ishanvi. We put our right leg up, right leg in front. Okay, so you lift it and you put it in front. So when you lift it, you make sure your foot is facing upwards, and then you twist it and you bring it in front. So it goes 1, 2. But it comes a bit fast. Yeah, so it goes ikise mein.
Kissing me.
Okay, then bataun.
Down.
Yes, when you do bataun, you are in this position. You are put your left leg out. Yes, and then you do 1, 2 bataun. Okay, from your mouth, both hands to the front. The next step, yes, the next step you bring both your hands together. 1, 2. Okay, and then you do 1, 2. So how do you do this? You put your right leg out with the feet, your heel touching the ground. Okay, and then you put the left leg out with the heel touching the ground. And your hands can either be intertwined like this or you keep them one on top of the other. So you do 1, 2, and then after that you do a turn, yeah, with the flower again. Yes, very good. So what we do is after this 1, 2, you do 1, do 1, Ishanvi, do this Sotinani, 1, 2, turn. Okay, so when we finish the turn, our right leg is at the back and our hands we keep palms, one palm in front of the other, or you can keep the back of your hands one in front of the other, and then you do 1, 2, bring one hand up, 1, 2. Okay, after this a very simple step, you put both your hands out, okay, and then you put your right hand out to the top, facing, pointing the right top, and then you bring it down on your chest. So that brings us to the end of the second segment. So we will show you the second segment now with counts. So all of us do with us now, okay? Ishanvi, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So are you ready, Shanvi, to show them segment number
3.
3? Okay, we will show you the segment number 3 now. And this is Ishanvi's favorite segment, yeah? That one, right? Okay, so let's start. So at the end of the second segment, we are here. We are doing this and this, right? Yeah. After this, you open your hands. Yeah, and your legs. Okay. So it goes 1. Bring it to your left shoulder, and then throw it down. Okay. Did you see the leg movements also are in the same way? They go out, behind, and out. Okay. So let's do that once again. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're moving your face also. You're like 1 and turn. Okay. So after this, you take a turn. Your hand is here down, and from here you take a turn. Come in front of it. Okay. Take a turn and bring your hand in the center and tap your leg 2 times. Yes, 2 times. So from here, we turn. Bring your hand here and do 1, 2. So your hand movements, you bring your hand in the center here and you do 1 and 2. You turn them. Turn your palms. 2 while you tap your right leg. Correct? 2. And then again you take a turn. Okay? So when you finish the turn, you put your right leg up and bring it in front. Okay? Did you get that? Your right hand is up. Bring it as a fist to your chest and your leg. Same, the lifting step which I showed you earlier. You will lift and then bring it down. Okay, let's show them again. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, we start from here. Okay, 1, put your leg at the back. 1, 2, 3, start. Na 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 na. Okay, got that? So from here, again you open, but only your right hand. Open. Okay, and then you put your right leg out to the right side, and then your right leg cross to the left side. And your hands, after you finish the opening, yeah, you put your right hand out with your left hand here in the center, and then you put your left hand out. Okay, let's show this whole thing again. 1, 2, 3, step. La 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 la. Okay, after this step, the next step, you scoop both your hands together, make your palms into fists, yeah, and you cross them. Yeah, okay. So how do we do that? We do Dard Bhare. So you will just walk back, you will move back with this Dard Bhare. Okay, and then turn, and the same step which we did earlier. Lift your right leg, keep it in front, left leg, keep it in front, and again right leg, keep it in front. And make sure when you are lifting your leg, you look at it, then you keep it down. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Both your hands in front. Okay, so let's show that again. 1, 2, 3 steps. Tera. And then you take a turn. 1, put your right hand up and you sit. So basically you sit when you're putting your right hand up. Right?
Yes.
Okay, let's show. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 steps. You did the ballet. Na 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 na. So that was segment number 3, and now we are going to show you segment number 3 with counts. So join us, do with us. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we are at segment number 4. That is the sitting choreography part of this dance. So we have sat down with this pose. Okay, so from here again the terasti hai nigahe teri, that part comes. Okay, so the first step is you are here. Okay, you do a wave with your body and you bring your hand also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Ishan's favorite step, right? Okay, so from here we do 1, 2, 3 and 4, and from here the steps are somewhat similar to the standing choreography we did. Okay, so this was तरसती है निगाहें तेरी तकती है राहें मेरी. Okay, 1, 2, the flower, look down and then look up. Okay, so what we do is after the wave, okay, 3, 4, we do 1, 2, 3. Bring it back, 1, 2, the flower, put your head down and then lift it up. Okay, so let's do that again. 1, 2, 3 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so after this it's the same movements of your hands like we did it in the standing choreography. It's the batao. Flower, 1, 2, open and 1, 2. Okay, it's the same thing what we did. Again, 1, 2, 3 step. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have reached the end of the 4th segment, and now let's do with the count.
Okay, so join us. 1, 2, 3 start. Hand on top. 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the end of our segment 4, or the part where we are doing the sitting choreography, and so we are ending at this, right? So from here what we do, we get up. How we get up? We keep 2 hands. Yes. Yes. So we keep from here, we keep two hands this way, the left hand out, the right hand somewhere around your body. Okay, and then you raise it up and you bring it to the right side. And while you do this, you take a turn and you stand. Okay, so from here, show Ishanvi from here. Okay, so you will take both your hands, get up and turn, and then you put it on your dress, you hold your dress. Okay, got that step? And after this you walk back 1 2 3 1 2 3, again the same step, right left right, left right left. Okay, so you from here you get up this way, you turn, put it on your dress, your hands, and do 1 2 3 1 2 3. And now we continue the same leg movement, right left right, left right left, right left right. Yeah, and the hand movements, you keep your palm here in the center, not on top, not at the bottom, and then you keep your palm facing upwards, turn it back and facing upwards again. Okay, so you do, your face also turns right, left, right. So how do you do the leg movements also? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then 1 2. You bring your right leg back and you tap. Okay, so what do you do? Let's do from here. Okay, 1 2 3 start. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, hope you got that. And now the last step, right? Okay, so what do we do? Yes, so from here, okay, you take both the hands and you push them out. Okay, just raise them and push them out with your right leg hand out and your left hand on top. Okay, so your leg movements, again you raise your right leg, keep it in front and do 1 2. Yeah, just with your shoulders, right shoulder back, left shoulder back. Okay, and same on the other side again. Bring your hands back to 0. Push them out with your left hand out, right hand on top, and then your shoulders again, right shoulder, left shoulder. Yeah, so this step comes 3 times, right? So let's show from here. 1 2 3 start. 1 and 2 3, 1 and 2 3, 1 and 2 3. Okay, after this comes the last pose, for which you will take both your hands together, you turn and you put your, yes, you put your left leg out. Okay, so let's show this again, this step and the last pose. Okay, 1 2 3 step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Your right hand is on the top, your left hand is down, your right palm is like facing upwards, right? Okay, so now let's do the segment 5 with counts. All of you join us. 1 2 3 start. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4, turn and pose. So that was it guys, that was your tutorial for Tarasti Hai Nigahein. So hope you liked it. This is our first attempt at making a tutorial. So leave your feedback in the comments below and we hope to bring you more tutorials, more videos and more fun. Yeah. Right? So what you need to do, you need to go back to Galatfehmi or Tarasti Hai Nigahein video and practice with us again and again, because practice makes